before we look at the security angle, let's look at the psychology of it all. Right, doctor? Because you see, this is a case of rising urban rage. This is a case of mental stress, maybe emotional volatility, seeing what happened within a mere minutes. Public transport safety is one angle that we'll have DGP throw some light on. But the normalization of violence, because nobody knew either one before this entire argument happened. And small arguments becoming deadly, becoming frustration, and our low tolerance for the same. Behaviorally, from the psychologist's perspective, what explains this extreme escalation from a trivial argument? It was about whether the door should be closed or open whilst it was raining out there. Doctor, I mean, I can't seem to wrap my head around this.
This clearly shows hot-blooded murder, number one. So basically, there are two types of aggression. So one is reactive aggression, and another one is proactive aggression. So what we can see in this case, this was reactive aggression. The person was not, obviously, he was not prepared for killing someone, but still he did so. So this was hot-blooded murder, and where the reaction was very impulsive, and even he won't be having this the idea, you know, he's killing someone, or maybe he would have done it earlier as well, but the reaction was impulsive. So this happens generally when definitely the childhood, the rearing and upbringing, we can say that these are very important factors which makes which forms a person's personality and nature. And this wouldn't be for the first time he would have done so, and definitely he would have done it earlier as well. But the aggression, the impulse, the reasons behind maybe some kind of personality disorder, we can say, like antisocial personality, and where in some of the cases we find that hyperactive amygdala is also responsible. And this happens with it's a gradual process, and it takes a long, in making the person do such crimes.